Hey, what's up guys? Hello everyone. Um, it's been a while since I made some content here on my channel because I've been, COVID and stuff like that. I have to make the meat ends. I have to do some side hustles. You know, yeah, been doing some photo shoots for and videos for some restaurants, mainly food. Now I focus on food. And yeah, we're gonna pause our abandoned explorations for a bit and introduce some new series here on our channel. Namely, first I'm gonna introduce to you the unboxing series. It's gonna be an unboxing of anything that you can think of, anything that you want. Maybe you can suggest some stuff to unbox, something like that. You can feel free to put it in the comment section. And yeah, I'm gonna try to do the unboxing every Saturday of each week. Alright, hopefully twice a week. Oh no, twice a month. I'm sorry. Yeah, hopefully twice a month. And yeah, we're gonna do some unboxing twice a month every Saturday. And what else? Watch out for the food series here in Phuket. So I'm gonna try to research on 10 special places to dine in, to go to, any special places, like maybe a special barber shop, something like that. The little ones that are not that popular, new places to check out here in Phuket. So since I'm not able to go out yet of Phuket, I am still waiting for things to subside a bit with this situation, but things are getting better now here in Phuket. So yeah, that's all for Uno 1, and let's proceed with unboxing. Once again, if you're new to the channel, please like and share our videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. And yeah, share our videos, guys. Our first unboxing is this. I got this from the mail. It was like 3 days ago. I'm not really sure what this is at the moment. Okay, let's get it on. Once again, guys, I'm still using my Kershaw shuffle. If you guys are interested, still using it. Really nice pocket knife. What is this? Okay, I remember this now. I've been ordering a lot online, I said, why not make an unboxing series, because I've been ordering, so why not make one, right? So yeah, this is what I got from Small Rig. Check it out, guys. Okay, check this out. Always expect the best packaging from Small Rig. There you go. Because I got my old one busted. So see, the first one that I have was broken, and it comes with a range. See, a tool. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. We still have one more, a bigger one. Check this out. As you can see, guys, it's from Yoshino. So I've been in the market checking out for an alternate case for my camera, a second one. Since there are times that I shoot on boats, so I was thinking, make my gear safe. So I went online and checked out for some cases. So this is what I found. This case I got for 1,500 Thai baht. It was on sale. Okay, it's a Thai brand, or yeah, I think so, Thai brand. I got it for 1,500 Thai baht. Original price is around 3,005 or something. If you're interested with this one as well, I'm gonna put the link at the description. Okay, unbox this thing. You know the good thing about this knife? It stays sharp. It's awesome. Okay, this is a big one. Ooh. Ah. Here you go. It looks exactly the same as my Pelican case, guys. What? This is awesome. I hope the quality, I think the quality is not same person, since it's Pelican and this is Yoshino. Wow. Really excited to see this thing. So this is the brand, guys. Wow. Static. Ooh. I don't think it's... Check it out. Oh, first time to open it. Yo, look at that. It's awesome. I don't like the smell. Okay, let's check this out. It's quite heavy. See? So you can design your shapes over here. I don't like the smell. It smells like a dead thing. Wow. That smell is something else. It looks exactly the same as a Pelican case, guys. Believe it or not. Exactly the same. Of course, the rubber sealing are not that same. I mean, it's aftermarket. Handles. Wow, almost the same. See? It's just a bit heavy. You got this for your first padding, and this one you got two. Oh, this one smells like how do you say that? Patay na daga. Almost. Oh man, I have to do something about this. Yeah, so that's it. If you wanna see the Pelican 1510 side by side, I'm gonna do a review with that, of that. But so far, oh, the locking is okay. Ooh, still have static. So you have your handle here. It's the texture, I mean the quality is, it feels plasticky, you know. You can really feel like you're holding a plastic. And I'm not really sure if the sealing of this one is reliable. It's this is like a knockoff of Pelican 1510. You see, even the handles, it's like Pelican. There we go. Handle feels like a Pelican, but it's not. This is a Pelican wannabe. Oh, at some point it got stuck. This is a Pelican wannabe, and I'm gonna show you my Pelican case. I hope I can carry it with one hand. This is my Pelican. So yeah, same size, but you can really feel the premium quality from Pelicans. So yeah, this feels like a plastic. Now I know the reason why it's so cheap. So this is a Pelican 1510, and this is Yoshino, I don't know, 22 inches. So if you're interested or checking out a cool case for your camera, for your important gears or equipments, guys, and you're on a budget, you can go for this one. If you're interested, the links are on the description. Alright, I hope it's still on sale by the time of this video or the posting of this video. So I got it for 1,500 plus shipping. That's around 1,600 something Thai baht. Okay, alrighty, that's it for me for today, guys. I'll see you on the next one. So once again, we unboxed small rig, and this one, the Pelican case wannabe. Alright, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Please like and share our videos, and don't forget to check out our food series, and always check out for our unboxing videos or end reviews, honest reviews, unbiased reviews, guys, because I buy this myself. I don't any of these videos are not sponsored, so anything you see here that I unbox is from my own pocket. Alright, so there you go, guys. So for me to be able to keep on making videos like this one, please support my channel, like and share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to as well, so you won't miss any of our future unboxing videos. Alright guys, that's all for me for today. I'm Uno1. Please stay safe, stay golden, and whenever you go shopping, be careful with scammers. Alright, they're everywhere. Okay, yeah, see you on the next one, everybody. Bye. What? Who?